Clever Mosaics 3D glossy white long hexagon peel and stick tile instantly transforms your space. The durable and scratch-resistant material is easy to install, just peel and stick. Perfect for kitchen or bathroom backsplashes. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and heat-resistant. This strong adhesive backing adheres to most surfaces. The unique elongated hexagon shape creates a modern geometric look. This tile is easy to cut so you can customize your design. So transform your kitchen, bathroom, or any space with this easy-to-install, scratch-resistant elongated hex. So if you're looking to upgrade your space with a stylish, durable, and easy-to-install vinyl tile, choose this elongated hexagon peel and stick. Its longevity, versatility, and geometric shape checks all the boxes. Order now and upgrade your space today. Visit clevermosaics.com to browse more designs. For any questions or wholesale inquiries, feel free to mail us at sales@clevermosaics.com. Our team is happy to help you.